Hi there, I'm John from CNCROI.com, and today we'll do something really simple. We'll just cut out a centrosaur. My background in design is actually all self-taught. I've written 5 books about how to design this kind of stuff. You can see some of the models behind me here. There's my Miyajima gate, rocket ship, awards, everything. So a lot of customers come up to me and say, we want this, and they're not sure how to tell me how they want this. In this case here, it's a centrosaur. It's very straightforward. You can see the parts. But let's say you wanted this to be 10 feet tall. I can design that to be 10 feet tall. You're not stuck with any particular size. Now let's say you wanted this to be transparent, or you wanted this to be done in your corporate colors. You wanted this to be actually transformed into a mirror or coasters or whatever you can imagine. I could do that here in the shop. That's really straightforward for me because I've been designing stuff for people for about 20 years. In this case here, I cut the centrosaur just using my CNC laser. This could have been done out of stainless steel. This could have also been done with our CNC router. This also could have been done with this CNC plasma. Every CNC machine has a plus and a minus when it comes to production. I'm just lucky because I sort of know the pluses and minuses. So whenever we get a project here in the shop, I know based on the material, the volume, and all those sort of things, what machine to use. The nice thing is we have the machines in the shop, so it means we can do stuff very, very efficiently. So let's say you wanted, this thing here cut out of paper for wedding invitations. We could totally do that. If you wanted out of wood veneer, you wanted it engraved into rock, it just never really ends. So if you have a custom project in mind, contact me at CNCROI.com. Whether it's 2D, such as something just like this, or 3D, I could design it and help you out and actually make it for you.